people used to say कि लड़की है क्या ही करेगा business करा के.
What was the reason you started this?
So our motive is to transform the tradition into the something like that support our wellness and as well as the environment. Whenever I used to visit the temples, I used to see the people out of love and spirituality. They offer flowers in the temples, and after that they are thrown into the rivers, which simultaneously affect the rivers as well as the environment. When I was researching about this product now, I focus on three factors. First, I have to check the burn quality. Second, the aroma, and third, the human health.
What were the problems which you faced?
Agarbatti Dubatti is very male dominating. सारे males ही है. All the manufacturers are the male. So at the age of 24, they used to think बच्ची है कुछ भी रेट में दे दो. I faced that problem. So my father used to say कि अगर तुम्हें जो चीज़ का मन है तो why didn't you start right now?
Hello everyone, Shipra this side from Moment Studio and House of Mickey. We welcome Vanshi today, a young entrepreneur in our studio who has started her own venture of organic agarbattis and dhoop battis. It's a very nice thing that the young children are thinking about organic and not using any chemicals in their products, and in a way giving it to a society. So I will take you to Vanshi. Vanshi is our guest today in our studio, and so Vanshi, I would like you to introduce yourself, and actually it is best for you to talk about your brand. So please tell our audience about it.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Vanshi and I'm the founder of Shroom India. So basically, we manufacture incense products which are made from temple waste flowers. बेसिकली हम लोग टेम्पल से फ्लावर्स लेते हैं एंड देन उसे सुखा के पाउडर फॉर्म में देन वी मेक डिफरेंट इंसेंस प्रोडक्ट्स. सो आवर मोटिव इज टू ट्रांसफॉर्म द ट्रेडिशन लाइक आवर ट्रेडिशनल ट्रेडिशन इनटू द समथिंग लाइक दैट सपोर्ट आवर वेलनेस and as well as the environment. So
Okay.
This is a vision and mission behind starting Shroom India.
Fantastic. So when you started this, what was the reason you started this? Was there any reason? What was the inspiration? Why did you start? I mean, young entrepreneurs will start anything but not the essence.
Yeah.
So उनको अगरबत्ती और धूपबत्ती से कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो आपका क्या ऐसा था कि instead of starting any entrepreneur of jewelry or clothes or XYZ, you thought of doing this?
Basically, before starting this Shroom India, the two major situations were happening in my life. I noticed about in my life. Firstly was whenever I used to visit the temples now, I used to see the people out of love and spirituality. They offer flowers to in the temples, and after that they are thrown into the rivers, which simultaneously affect the rivers as well as the environment. So first was that thing, and second was one of my family member were having a problem of from pregnancies. Basically जब भी हम लोग अगरबत्ती धूपबत्ती घरों में यूज करते थे, जब हम उसको बर्न करते थे उसको स्नीजिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती थी या फिर नोज ब्लीडिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती थी फ्रॉम द प्रेगनेंसीज.
Okay.
एंड इवन फ्रॉम द परफ्यूम्स एज वेल.
Okay.
सो दीज टू प्रॉब्लम्स, जो ये दो प्रॉब्लम्स थी, देन आई हैव लाइक स्टार्टेड रिसर्चिंग ऑन दैट, लाइक हाउ टू यूज टेम्पल फ्लावर वेस्ट सो दैट आई कैन मेक इंसेंस प्रोडक्ट्स कि एटलीस्ट हमारे घर में भी अगरबत्ती धूपबत्ती बर्न हो, क्योंकि उसकी वजह से अगरबत्ती धूपबत्ती बिल्कुल बैन टाइप सी थी.
तो परफ्यूम्स भी बैन हो गए होंगे.
एग्जैक्टली, बट सर्टेन ब्रांड्स आर देयर जिसके बिल्कुल एक पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड्स है जो हम परफ्यूम्स यूज करते थे कि इस ब्रांड से कुछ नहीं होगा, इस ब्रांड से कुछ नहीं होता. बट अगरबत्ती धूपबत्ती वो बैंड, टोटली बैंड.
एंड ऑब्वियसली अगरबत्ती और धूपबत्ती में कभी तो पूजा होएगी घर में, कुछ होगा. तो दैट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वे टू स्टार्ट योर entrepreneur. I'm sorry, your venture. So I wanted to ask you now that when you obviously you did a lot of research and you had a very good mission behind that. You wanted to save the environment, and then you wanted to also have the problem, sort the problem at the medical issue in the house. So when you decided all this, so you did your research, you did your homework, and
Yes.
आपका एक plan बन गया होगा. Now comes the part is that you're young and you had to start your venture. What kind of support you got from your parents?
Basically, my parents supported me a lot. As coming from a business family, my father is also a businessman. My mother is housewife. So coming from a business family, he was very supporting. My both of the parents were very supporting. As my products are handmade, so basically my mother like pushed me to make handmade products.
Yeah.
Like I make like my products are agarbatti, dhubatti, havan cups. All products are handmade.
Okay.
So she taught me how to hand roll the agarbatti, how to make various dhoop cones from hands.
So basically, your guru is your mother.
Yeah,
That's fantastic. So mothers are actually mainly the gurus of many entrepreneurs I've come across.
yeah. Basically,
I am also one of them. It is my mother who was my first guru. So fantastic. So what else? I mean, tell me about your mother who कैसे उन्होंने आपको उसमें inculcate किया? Let's say you were doing the research, or probably the thought came in your mind when you saw that the flowers are getting wasted and it's spoiling the environment and all. What was the reaction of your parents when you said, "Ki, I want to save the environment. I want to I have to do something about it."
basically
So,
they were very surprised. Like I'm as a person, I was used to say to my parents that मैं तो job ही करूँगी. I will not starting my own venture or a business. But after doing 1 year like job, so मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, I have to do my business. So when I came across to these two problems ना, then I researched about it. मेरे को 1 साल लगा इस पे R&D करने में. Like it took me 1 year to make this kind of product. So I have done many R&Ds. Even I have researched about various traditional methods. Like जो पहले use होते थे, herbs, raisins and all. And now जो भी modern ingredients है, जो modern में use होते हैं, वो भी मैंने बहुत सारे research करे थे. Then I developed this product.
okay.
Yeah.
So you got the entire support from your father
And my
and
mother.
your mom.
Yeah.
So tell me one thing. So why don't you just share your educational this thing? In what field you educated yourself?
Basically, I have completed my MBA in 2022
Okay.
in finance and marketing sector.
Fantastic. So from finance marketing to essence.
Yeah.
Fantastic. That's pretty good.
Yeah, and 1 year I have done the job, and after that 1 year I have taken to do the R&D on this product, and then I have made this product.
Then you started. it,
Basically, when I was researching about this product now, I focused on 3 factors. First, I have to check the bone quality. Second, the aroma, and third, the human health.
yeah. Right.
These were the 3 factors that I focused on that
Right.
and developed the product.
Perfect. So why don't you just tell us about your products, like how long your agarbattis
Burning.
burn, or like about your havan cups and all.
Basically, my agarbatti burn for 50 minutes.
50 minutes.
Yeah,
Oh, fantastic.
and it is of 8 inches, but तब भी वो 50 minutes burn कर लेती है.
Okay.
And my cones burn for around 20 to 25 minutes. More
Okay.
than 25 minutes, you can say.
Right. And where are these products available? Are you there on the online, or you have some like a phone call, you are a call away? How do you take orders?
Basically, we have a website as well, and we have an Instagram page as well.
Okay,
So
okay.
we take online orders. Right now,
Perfect.
we take online orders because
Yeah.
we have started this brand like in 2024.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you are 2 years old.
yeah.
So how has been the response? Because obviously you're a young person, okay? And I want to understand. I started my business very late.
Yeah.
So I wanted to ask you that you're starting your business at 24, you basically.
Yeah.
So what were the problems which you faced? I mean, because you being a 24-year-old, maybe your parents are very supportive, but there must be other people around who must be saying, nahi, nahi, ladki ki shaadi karo. There's a lot of marriage thing goes on. So what were the challenges which you faced? And of course, a marriage is always, I wish you get married and very soon. But what were the views of your parents, because it is very important for the young people out there to understand that even the parents to the of the young entrepreneurs, that marriage is not the solution, especially for the girls. So I want to understand the entire scenario of your family, that when you were getting into this, ठीक है पढ़ाई हो गई, काम भी कर लिया, भाई अब तो शादी करो, बच्ची बड़ी हो रही है, this is general statements and general environment thing in every family, right? I also have a daughter, she is also 26 years old, तो हमारे घर में भी होता है, बड़ी हो गई है, लड़का ढूंढो, all that. So you tell me that when you were at 24 getting into it, you must have also faced this thing, maybe not from your parents, but people around you. So how did you face that challenge? And I want to understand how your parents supported you.
Basically, the first challenge was like how to start it, because as a woman I have to single-handedly want to start this business. So first problem was that people, like you said, people used to say कि लड़की है क्या ही करेगा business करा के, she is an MBA, she can get a like बहुत अच्छी job मिल सकती है, and I was doing the job. So I was satisfied with my job. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं satisfied नहीं थी, I was satisfied. But my father and mother used to say अगर इसको करना है तो why she can give a try. ऐसा ना हो कि इसने ट्राई ही नहीं किया, नाउ शी लाइक, ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी के और की प्रेशर से हम लोग इसे नहीं करने दे रहे. इट्स बेटर अगर उसको सही लगेगा तो शी कैन गो थ्रू लाइक स्टार्ट हर बिजनेस. नहीं सही लगेगा देन शी कैन स्विच टू जॉब अगेन. सो दिस हाउ काइंड ऑफ लाइक माय पेरेंट्स वर वेरी सपोर्टिंग. उन्होंने मेरे को ये चीज समझाई. देन आई हैव अ वेरी कैजुअल एटीट्यूड. इफ समवन कम टू से मी ना कि क्यों बिजनेस करना है, जो MBA करी है, जॉब कर लो, बेटर ऑप्शन. एंड आई वाज एन MBA इन फाइनेंस, तो मेरे पास वास्ट ऑप्शंस थे जी. Work in banking sector, financial sectors, and they were in boom stage as well. Nowadays they are on the boom stage. So my father used to say कि अगर तुम्हें जो चीज का मन है तो why didn't you start right now? Why but like क्यों wait करो किसी चीज का? And age is just a number. It's about your
That's
experience
true.
and your research.
Right.
If you want to start, you can start.
So this is very good. So you got all the support from the parents.
And secondly, while starting this business ना, अगरबत्ती दुबत्ती is very male dominating business. सारे males ही है. All the manufacturers are the male. Or from the where we are sourcing our like raw materials ना, वो भी males की ही factories and all है. So at the age of 24 they used to think बच्ची है, कुछ भी रेट में दे दो, या फिर कुछ भी बता दो, कुछ भी क्वालिटी देख के दे दो. तो आई फेस दैट प्रॉब्लम. सप्लायर से बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हुई थी एज अ वुमेन.
Okay, that's what I was coming to next, was that this is what I wanted to know, that it's a male dominated industry. So you wanting to so you definitely, as you have mentioned, so what were the other this thing? ठीक है, आपके suppliers आपको कुछ भी रेट दे रहे हैं, या probably some substandard product दे रहे हैं कि भाई लड़की है चला दो इसको. Not how did you face those challenges? How did you change your suppliers? और उससे पहले का एक क्वेश्चन और पूछती हूँ मैं कि आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपने सप्लायर्स भी तो ढूंढने होंगे, सो दैट R&D जो आपने करी उसमें आपको सप्लायर्स मिले. तो वेयर एंड हाउ यू वेंट अबाउट इट, दैट R&D विच यू वेंट, आपने फिजिकली भी जाके सब जगह देखा होगा, आई डोंट नो कहाँ होता है ये, किस एरियाज में होते हैं, तो वो एरियाज में कैसा था? इट वाज अ एक्सपीरियंस, इफ यू कैन शेयर दैट.
बेसिकली इन दिल्ली देयर इज अ मार्केट नोन एज सीलमपुर मार्केट. वहाँ पे सारे अगरबत्ती दुबत्ती के रॉ मटेरियल्स वगैरह मिलते हैं.
अच्छा.
एंड ऑल द रॉ मटेरियल्स आर इनऑर्गेनिक. वहाँ पे सारे इनऑर्गेनिक मिलते हैं. तो व्हेन आई विजिटेड दैट मार्केट ना, ऑल वर द मेल्स इन दैट मार्केट.
ओके.
हाँ, दैट टाइम आई फेस द प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज दे वर नॉट अटेंडिंग मी. कि छोड़ो लड़की है जाने दो, कितना ही ले लेगी, कितना ही रॉ मटेरियल खरीद लेगी हमारे से. क्योंकि सीलमपुर इज द मार्केट वेयर ऑल द रॉ मटेरियल्स वी गेट. रॉ मटेरियल, फिनिश गुड, सारे ब्रांड्स वहीं पे मिल जाते हैं हमें. तो आई फेस प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. सो आई यूज्ड टू टुक माय ब्रदर विद मी कि ही विल टॉक टू देम एंड देन आई विल गेट टू नो. एंड at home I do the R&D of that.
Yeah.
So and after that मेरे को सीलमपुर से कुछ नहीं हुआ क्योंकि सीलमपुर में सारे ही इनऑर्गेनिक रॉ मटेरियल्स आई गेट टू नो कि सारे ही इनऑर्गेनिक थे. उन्होंने मेरे को दिए, आई डोंट नो, बट मेरे को इनऑर्गेनिक मिले. सो देन आई स्टार्टेड रिसर्चिंग ऑन इंडिया मार्ट. So from that I get the suppliers and then I connected to them. मैंने उनसे samples मंगवाए, then I started the R&D.
So basically then India Mart. But it's very sad that, when a lady goes and people are not entertaining. So it's a really sad this thing, and that you basically cracked when your brother went with you. So so my message to the community is that please encourage girls. They are also coming, and I will always tell the male population out there that ignore ना करें लड़कियों का. कल को कोई भी कुछ भी बन सकता है. So encourage them and support them in their ventures and not ignore them. So fantastic, Vanshi. और आपके अब आगे future plans क्या हैं? How are you wanting to expand this, or what are your plans?
Basically in India market now, customers are not aware of inorganic and organic part.
Okay.
So and pricing में बहुत difference है. The products I am selling are very too high in prices.
Yeah.
The products are available in the market.
Right.
So firstly, I need to educate the customers about the organic and inorganic part. Then I can sell my product.
Right.
Yeah. So next, like in coming next 5 years, I want to spread globally first.
Okay.
And secondly, the people should be aware of organic agarbattis and inorganic agarbattis. Like
Nice.
there are like inorganic agarbattis affect too much, And even in my family, I have experience. I have already tell you, my brother was suffering from these kind of things. Like he was having a fragrance problem. हम नहीं use करते थे. Even in pujas as well. When Pandit ji come na, Pandit ji used to say कि अगरबत्ती दे दो, but we used to deny him क्योंकि नहीं use कर सकते थे. But nowadays we are using my अगरबत्ती.
Very nice.
Yeah.
That's a very noble thing you have done. And I hope from her agarbattis, people who are having issues, allergy issues, with the smell, you get sneezing or, as she said, bleeding, nose bleeding. I think her product is the right thing to be used at home. Okay, Vanshi, I have one more question from you. I want to know is that आपका जो product है, what is your pack sizes and all? And do you do corporate gifting? शुरू किया है अभी या you are just taking only online orders?
No, we have started corporate gifting and have some samples. You can just
Okay.
look at it.
Nice.
These
And-
are the incense cones.
Oh, that's
And
pretty
all
nice.
are handmade.
Oh, good.
Yeah, we do in brown packaging, so very simple packaging we are having.
Right. So this is nice.
Yeah.
These are the incense cones. Dhoop batti for everyone.
And these are Havan cups, like for dhwani or for some puja, you can use.
Oh, very nice. This is a very trending thing these
Yeah.
days. So here are the Kavan cups which you can order from her.
And all are made from temple flowers.
Oh, very good. That's this also good.
And in
Okay.
corporate gifting, we have these options and as well as the combinations you can take. Like
Okay.
one incense cones and
Okay.
Havan cups in different packets, like in paper bags or in
Yeah.
cardboard boxes. So we
Okay.
have variety of options.
Variety of options. So fantastic. So we have a lot of products for the corporates to support and encourage the young blood. And I wish all the best, Vanshi, for your venture. And I hope you get lots and lots of orders and lots of corporate orders also. So they're the corporate bigwigs. Here's Vanshi for you for your corporate gifts next time. Thank you so much. This is Shipra Mathur signing off from Moment Studio.